Hi, welcome to the Traveling Spoon with Ivy's first cooking video. Today we will be making delicious, fluffy pancakes. Pancakes are a traditional dish that can be made for basically any occasion, for Mother's Day, Father's Day, and when your friends come over. Making pancakes only takes a handful of ingredients, and I have them right here in front of me. You will need 1 cup of milk, 1 cup of self-raising flour, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 2 tablespoons of optional yogurt. For the sugar, you can choose how much you want to put in, depending on how sweet you want your pancakes to be. A pinch of baking soda and an egg. A small mixing bowl, a spoon for measuring, a spatula, and a whisk. The first thing we need to do is adding all the wet ingredients together. We pour the milk in, the oil in, the yogurt in, and the egg in. Now we mix. We will now add the dry ingredients as the flour, the sugar, the pinch of salt, and the baking soda. Now we mix. Once mixed well, the batter will be slightly runnier than honey and should look slightly like this. Let's get cooking! Now we turn on the fire to medium-low heat. And now that the pan is ready, let's add our first spoon of batter in. Slowly. Your very first pancake is not going to be perfect because your pan isn't hot enough or it is still heating up. So you may not be happy with your first result. It may not be a presentable one, but at least it is a working in progress. When you are cooking your pancake, it is important to watch the edges of the pancake as the bubbles will start firming up. This is a sign that the edges are starting to cook. And when the edges are ready, you see if you can flip it. too early. Let's try again. Serve. As you can see, all the pancakes are puffing up, but as soon as they come off the grill, some of them, they will cool down and go back down to their regular level. Third one, served. Making the pancake is only half of the fun. The other half of the fun is dressing up the pancakes. Now that we have our pancakes ready to go, we will now make the grilled berry sauce. For making the grilled berry sauce, you will need fresh or frozen berries, 4 tablespoons of sugar, 2 tablespoons of butter, and a pinch of salt. Let's get cooking! First, we put in the butter. Now that the butter is melted, we add in the sugar. And the berries. And stir. Turn the fire to low heat and add the pinch of salt. Let it simmer, and when it is ready, you will see that the butter has completely melted and the juice from the berries have come out into this lovely reddish purple color. Smells awesome. Give it an occasional stir. You are done when it looks kind of like this. See that beautiful red color swirling about? Let it cool down because the pot is pretty hot still. Find your prettiest plate and your prettiest pancakes to put in a stack of three or four. Now, we will put a little bit of our grilled berries on top. and our grilled berry sauce on the side. I have some additional cookie dust here. You could use icing sugar or cocoa powder. Just going to shake a generous amount on top. And a mint leaf for extra prettiness. Some more on the side. And that is how you make these delicious, simple